We need to create a shadow for our stickman, but the problem is our player is not static. So we can't use this shadow script here. So let's create another script called dynamic shadow and open this script. Remove the start and update method. Also remove the mono behavior. Instead of, we can use shadow script here. So we can use the shadow scripts variables. Now create serialized field private bool is dynamic. Serialized field private float called max offset. Serialized field private camera follow called camera follow. Now create a late update function and check if is dynamic is true. Shadow sprite render dot sprite is equal to sprite render dot sprite. Shadow sprite render dot flipx is equal to sprite renderer dot flipx. Create float offset and set this to 0.1. Now check if camera follow dot max offset is not equal to 0, then offset is equal to camera follow dot offset divided with camera follow dot max multiply with max offset and multiply with 100. Now set offset divided equal to 100 and set shadow game object dot transform dot position is equal to game object dot transform dot position plus new vector 3. Open the shadow script and remove the serialized field private instead of use public in shadow offset because we need to use this inside our dynamic script. And add shadow offset dot x and shadow offset dot y plus new vector 3 negative offset 0 and 0. That's it. Save the script and go back to the Unity. Select the Stickman object and attach the dynamic shadow script here. Go to the material folder, duplicate this shadow material, rename it and choose the color and set the alpha. Now attach this material with the script. Check this dynamic option, set shadow offset to negative 0.01 and max offset to 0.1. Select the main camera and drag it here. Okay, so save the scene and hit play. Shadow offset dot y is too low right now, so change this to negative 0.07. Feel free to choose the color and the shadow offset according to yourself. Our shadow offset is changed in shadow script because we change it to public. So re-add the shadow offset dot y to negative 0.07.